Namaste, Kushro Bidya. Today's topic is social security. According to ILO, social security is the protection which society provides for its members through a series of public measures against the economic and social distress that otherwise would be caused by the substantial stoppage of earning resulting from sickness, maternity, injury, unemployment, old age, and death. Purpose of social security to give individuals and family confidence that their level of living and quality of life will not eroded by social or economical eventuality. They provide medical care and income security against the consequence of defined contingency to facilitate the victim physical and vocational rehabilitation, to prevent or reduce ill health and accident in the occupation, to protect against unemployment by maintenance and promotion of job creation, to provide benefit for maintenance of any children's objective compensation, restoration, prevention, approaches social assistance, a method to provide benefit as of right to person, usually of small means in amount sufficient to meet a minimum standard of living from general revenue of the state. Characteristic feature of this is the beneficiary do not make any contribution towards various benefits which are made available to them. It is a non-contributory benefit towards the maintenance of vulnerable groups such as children, mother, aged people, and disabled, etc. Social insurance, a method to provide benefit as a matter of right for person of small earning in amount which combine the contribution of the beneficiary with subsidies from the employer and the state. Characteristic feature of this, it is the beneficiary employer and the government make contribution towards the creation of common pool out of which benefits are paid to the member in the event of any contingency suitable where the class of worker to be covered is the sufficiently well organized, legally regulated, and financially stable. Social assistance, a method to provide benefit as of right to person usually of small means in amount of sufficient to meet a minimum standard of living from general revenues of the state, non contributory. And social insurance, a method to provide benefit as a matter of right for person of a small earning in amount which combined the contribution of the beneficiary with subsidies from employer and the state, contributory. Thank you.